Today, we're going somewhere really special. A place where history isn't just something you look at behind glass in a museum. It's something you can actually touch, you can see, you can even sleep inside of. We're diving into a landscape where both adventure and luxury are, quite literally, carved right out of the earth itself.
You know, we all look for it, right? That one journey that sticks with you, that goes deeper than just a beautiful hotel room or a famous landmark. We're all craving that authentic experience that becomes a real part of our own story. A trip that isn't just seen, but one that's truly felt and lived.
Well, that search for something real, something authentic, it leads us right here to Turkey's central Anatolia region. I want you to picture a landscape that was sculpted by ancient volcanoes and then shaped by thousands of years of wind and water. What's left are these incredible stone spires they call fairy chimneys that just seem to defy gravity. Honestly, it feels like you've just stepped onto another planet.
But this landscape is so much more than just a geological wonder. As trip designer Marta Marinelli puts it, it's this unique tapestry of nature and human history, all woven together. It's a place that's telling countless stories, all at the exact same time.
So what secrets are actually hidden inside these incredible rock formations? Well, they really represent a call to a different kind of travel, one that connects us directly with the lives of the people who came long before us. So let's uncover that story.
You see, these formations weren't just something to look at. They were inhabited. For thousands of years, people looked at this soft stone not as a barrier, but as a building material, as a refuge, a home, and a true sanctuary.
The history here is just incredibly deep. I mean, as a key stop on the ancient Silk Road, the region was a constant target for powerful empires. But its destiny was really, truly carved out during the Roman era, when it became a safe haven for those fleeing persecution. And it's that legacy that we can still experience for ourselves today.
And this right here is where the soul of Cappadocia was forged. It's an incredible story of survival, of ingenuity, and of faith, all centered on the early Christians who turned this alien-looking landscape into a thriving, hidden community.
But how was that even possible? Well, the secret was in the rock itself. It's a porous volcanic deposit called tuff, which is, believe it or not, remarkably easy to carve. They realized they didn't have to build on the land, they could build within it.
The whole process was just ingenious. It all started with simple hideouts, but pretty soon, these expanded into these complex, multi-level networks that connected homes, places of worship, and even stables for their animals. An entire world was built right beneath the surface, completely hidden from view.
And the scale of what they achieved, it's almost impossible to comprehend. We're not just talking about a few scattered caves. This is a monumental, sprawling complex. UNESCO's designation really just underscores its global importance. It's a true testament to human resilience and cleverness.
So, how has this incredible piece of history been preserved and then completely reimagined for today's traveler? How do you get to experience this ancient world while still enjoying, the comforts of modern luxury?
Okay, first things first, where you stay makes all the difference. Now, while Göreme is the main tourist hub, and it can get pretty busy, the ancient town of Ürgüp offers a much more authentic, local feel. It's got these charming boutique shops and really atmospheric wine houses.
And this is where the experience becomes completely unforgettable. You're not just staying near history, you are staying inside of it. These incredible hotels have somehow masterfully preserved the original stone-arched caves while seamlessly integrating every modern comfort you'd expect from a luxury stay.
Just imagine it, waking up within the cool, quiet walls of a beautifully designed cave suite, and then stepping out onto your own private terrace that overlooks those timeless valleys. It's this perfect fusion of raw history and refined comfort that makes the entire experience so profound. So, once you've settled into your historic suite, that's when the real adventure begins. Cappadocia isn't the place where you just sit back and watch. No, it invites you to explore, to touch, and to engage with its story firsthand.
And the experiences, wow, they're just endless. You can hike through valleys that are literally named for their dramatic colors, climb to the highest viewpoint at Uçhisar Castle for these insane panoramic vistas, or descend 8 stories deep into a real underground city. And of course, you can taste local wine in ancient cellars, and you have to do the iconic hot air balloon ride at sunrise. Each activity just gives you a completely different perspective on this incredible place.
And that's really the essential point. Whether you're hiking a trail or exploring a tiny cave chapel, you're never just sightseeing. Every single path connects you to both the land itself and the deep human history that's written all over it.
So, what does this all add up to? Well, it's so much more than a vacation. It's an escape that offers this really powerful and, I think, profound shift in perspective.
Ultimately, in Cappadocia, the line between being a visitor and an inhabitant just starts to blur. When you sleep in a cave that was once a home and you walk past that were carved by ancient hands, you're no longer just a tourist looking at the past. You actually become a participant in a story that is still very much alive.
This is a place where the feeling of a fairy tale meets the very real, tangible reality of human history. And it just leaves you with one question. If you were to walk these valleys and sleep within these ancient walls, what part of this story, or maybe even your own, would you uncover?